How to fix cash on delivery in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix cash on delivery in Shopee. First, open the Shopee mobile app and make sure you are logged in. Here, tap on Me from your bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. You just need to directly ask their support team for help. Add your query about late shipping or whatever issue you're facing. They will fix it. Additionally, go back to your home screen. Then, go to the Settings app. Now, you need to scroll down and find Apps. Once you find it, tap on Apps. Search for Shopee and open the details. From here, delete the storage and cache memory. It may cause issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.